Hi, my name is Yanatha the and I wanted to first thank Buzztouch.com, Dave and his wonderful staff over there at Monterey, California, for creating such an amazing tool. What brought me to Buzztouch? Well, one main person brought me to Buzztouch. I won't name her, but I approached her once to apply for a position in her group, a software group, because I have a little bit of background in software development. And she simply told me that my skill sets weren't adequate. I saw that as a challenge. And with every challenge in life, I see that as an opportunity for growth. For those who are watching this video now, I want everyone to realize when someone tells you that you can't do something, they simply say that because they themselves cannot do it. Realize that you are more than what others say who you are. And you can only define who you are as well. That's my public service announcement. But some of the apps, you'll see some videos after this of what the apps I've been fortunate enough to create. Just to name them off the top of my head, there are Pre-K Math app, Proud to be Haitian, Proud to be Jewish, Pocket Poetry, I Love My Dog, Kids Eat Free HD. I made a lot of mistakes while creating those apps, but that was part of the learning process. With Buzztouch.com, there are definitely lots of tools to be able to learn from those mistakes. So enough about my journey, which is ongoing, and I hope you will start taking that journey as well by going to Buzztouch.com and create apps. Make it a dream of yours to be in an exciting part of this time in our lives. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below, or feel free to leave a comment on the apps in the Google Market in the App Store. Thank you again.